Welcome to this Yoga Nidra session designed specifically for healing. Lie down comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Allow yourself to fully relax as we embark on a journey to heal pain. Bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Notice any areas of discomfort or pain without judgment. Breathe into those areas, acknowledging their presence with compassion. Now set a powerful intention for healing. Formulate a positive statement related to your specific pain. For example, I am healing and releasing the pain in my back. Let's do it again. I am healing and releasing the pain in my back. Repeat your intention silently, feeling its truth, true, and resonate within you. Shift your focus to your breath. Inhale deeply, drawing in healing energy, and exhale, releasing all the tension in your body. Visualize your breath as a soothing, healing force that penetrates every cell of your body. Imagine a soft, healing light hovering above the area of discomfort. With each breath, see this light descending, gently enveloping and soothing the affected area. Feel the warmth of the healing light, dissolving any pain or tension. As you continue to breathe, visualize a gentle stream of warmth flowing through your body, directed towards the source of pain. With each breath, sense the pain diminishing, replaced by a serene feeling of relief and comfort. Express gratitude for your body's ability to heal. As you exhale, release any residual tension or pain. Envision it leaving your body with each breath out, making a space for healing energy to fill the void. Now repeat after me. I am in the process of healing. Each breath brings renewed strength and well being. One more time. I am in the process of healing. Each breath brings renewed strength and well being. As we conclude, gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Now gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of healing and peace with you as you continue your day. Thank you for dedicating this time to your healing journey. May you continue to experience the transformative power of healing in your life. Stay healthy, stay happy.